Hey, hello, what's up everybody? Today we're drawing Freddie Mercury from Queen. I'm gonna start off with the eye, make a curve like this, and then go straight to the right. And from this point, curve all the way up to the first point you started, and then fill it in. So for the next eye, this one is a little bit bigger and a little bit higher up. So create a curve like this. Go back to your first point and come in like this. Then curve it all the way to make it a circle, like this. Create a little highlight over here. And a circle shape over here for a bigger highlight. And again, fill it in. Now for the eyebrows, create a curve like this. And go up and curve straight. Go back to the first point and curve all the way back to the last, like this. The other eyebrow the same, curve like this, then come all the way to the other side, and so. And now for his moustache, create an arch like this, go back to the first point, and create a curve like this to the center, and the other side the same, and connect them. For the side of his face, just create two little curved lines coming down like this. And then connect the two with a curved shape. Now over to his hair, curve in like this. Same thing on the other side. Now stop. Create two dots, here and here, and create a curved line from the one point all the way to the other side. Come down, slightly curved, same thing on the other side. Now we're gonna go over to this crown. Place two dots on both sides and create a curve like this. Same thing here. And connect the two lines. Now for a little bit of detail in the fur, create two straight lines coming down like this and connect the bottom and the top. Do the same thing over here, come slightly to the left and create the same box shape. And same thing over here. Straight up. And straight line like this. Now for the outside boxes, these are a little bit smaller because they're curving around the head. So same thing, coming up and finishing. For the rest of the crown, create an oval shape here and do the same thing on the other side. And create a curved line within it, like this, and the same thing here. Now create a curved line to the center, but stop here. Same thing here. And now from these 2 points go straight up. Need to make them a little bit longer. Connect the two and create two lines coming straight down over here and here. And now from the center of this oval shape, connect these two lines. Create a circle for a gem. And another one in an oval shape. And for a little bit of detail, a curved line over here. And one over here. Now come back to the sides and curve up like this. Come back in. And go to the crown. Same thing on the other side. Come up, curving out, coming back in, coming slightly down, like this. Now create the thickness. So just follow and copy the line from the outside, like this. Same thing here. And now a curved line from here all the way to the top, like this. Same thing here. And finally 2 gems, half ovals on the side, here and here. Now for the top of the crown, I'm gonna create a curve here, and an oval shape here, and another circle. Create a curve here, and one over here, and connect the two. Now slightly curved and then diagonal coming up, and the same thing coming down to create a point. And we're done for the crown. Going to the ears, I'm gonna do the right ear first, create a curve like this, and one inside like this. Same thing here on the left side, and a curve. I'm gonna come down to create a little part of the cape he wears. So create a curve coming down and then up again, and wait here. Now we're gonna create a part of the arm, so curve up, and the lower part of the arm, same thing, curving up like this, and connect the two. He's wearing a bracelet, so I'm gonna make that. Curve line here, and then 2 straight lines, one here and one over here. Okay, and now for the hand, we're gonna start with the thumb, create a curved line, and then come back in again to create the thumb. Make a curved line underneath it, and then one of the fingers over here, one here, and another finger over here. Create a curved line to his arm, and we're done. I'm gonna come over to the right side now and create another part of his cape. Go to his face, slightly off center, and curve down like this. Stop here. I'm gonna need this to measure out his body. Go over to the left side and create a slightly curved line down like this. And now for the right side, same thing. Keep in mind the midline of the character. And now going over to the silhouette of the legs, go to the left and create a curved line down like this, and same thing on the right. Now come slightly down, same thing here. Create a dot to indicate where you want the legs to stop, and then create a curve all the way down. Same thing on the other side. Now for its belt, slightly curved all the way to the other side, and copy this line above it. Now for the buckle, straight line here, and create a little box inside of it, like so. Now 4 little dots, one over here, and one circle over here. Gonna create a zipper, come straight down with 2 lines and connect the two. Now for the stripes on his pants, create a curve like this, and one on the other side. Divide them in 2 like this. Okay. And now for its shoes, create a curved line coming from the pants like this. Same thing on the other side. And now connect the two like this and like this. Create 2 stripes like this and one over here. Same thing on the other side. And we're done with the shoes. Let's come over to the right arm now. Create a curve down coming like this and extend the line from the cape to the same length. Now create a curve for the palm of his hand. And for the thumb, come up, straight down, and curve in, and make a slight curve here. Now a straight line for the mic on 2 sides, and create a circle for the mic he's holding. Place a finger here, one over here, and now extend the microphone. Go down and connect the two. And now go back to the wrist and create a curved line like this. Now for his last finger, create a curved line like this. We go back to finish off his cape, go back to his head and create a curved line down, following the first line we made. Then go back to the top and create a curved line like this. Gonna do the same thing on the left. Create a curved line behind his arm and then come down. Curve a little bit out and come back in again and connect it to his feet. The other side, same thing, coming down, curving in again and connect it to his feet. And now for the mid part, just a little curve. Now go back up to the left and create the thickness of his cape. Come down and curve back in again. Same thing on the other side. Come down and curve back in. And now for the middle part, a horizontal stroke. Okay, that's it. Now we're gonna fill in his cape with the little dots. Come back to the top, to the left, and create a circle over here. One over here. An oval shape over here. One over here. One slightly down on the other side. And one in the corner over here. And now for the last one, it's going behind his leg. And in the mid part, one over here. And one over here. Okay, back to the top right. One over here. Same thing here. One on the other side. Now for the last one, just above the mic. Going under his hand. One over here. One over here. And the last one over here. Okay, the last detail, his chest hair. I'm going to speed this up. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to like. Don't forget to subscribe. If you have any requests or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box below. And I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye.